Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 2503 and 2502 Epic Games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you are trying to install the Epic Games launcher and you're getting an error code like this of 2503 and 2502, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your desktop. And from here you want to come down to the search box at the bottom and just go ahead and search for CMD. Now you should see command prompt come up underneath best match. So what you want to do is right-click onto command prompt and then run this as administrator. After doing that, you're going to get the command prompt window open. And what you want to do is type the following command into here, which is msi exec. Then you want to put a space, then you want to put /, and then the letter I, and then put another space. And on the next bit, you want to put where your Epic Games installer is located. So what I mean by this, if you just minimize this command prompt window, what you're going to want to do is open up your File Explorer. So you can use the search box to open up your File Explorer, and you want to locate where your Epic Games installer is. So it's generally going to be in the Downloads folder, and you can see the Epic installer here. Now if you hover over it, left and right click, and then you want to come down and click onto Properties. And what you want to do is copy the location path here. So you just want to right-click, copy, and go back to Desktop and open Command Prompt, and then paste that into your command prompt. After doing that, you want to put a / and then epicgamesinstaller.msi, which is Microsoft installation. That's the file type. Once you've done that, go ahead and press Enter. What that's going to do is actually fix the error code 2503. Now this also works if you're receiving an error code of 2502. So just go ahead and put that command in, and once you run this, you should now be able to install the Epic Games launcher on your PC. So that's basically how you can fix the error code 2503 and 2502 Epic Games. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.